All right, guys, so we're here on the Discovery Princess, and this is room S221. It's got a really great view on the other side. This is the retreat area, and then bam, this is a regular balcony, standard balcony. So you have storage and hanging space over here. Usual, more storage. Bathrooms there. I'll show you the bathroom in a second. Got the TV, your queen size bed. We've got USB ports next to the bed, lights next to the bed, so you can turn all the lights off and on before you go to sleep. USB port, that's European plugs, regular standard plugs as well. A phone for, I don't understand. Why not mount that on the wall? Like, it just makes sense to me. Mount it on the wall. And the minibar fridge, which is not stocked, but we went and got some waters because we have free alcohol this cruise. Well, not free, it's part of our package. And I believe, someone left this open, and we are just now getting underway. So check out that beautiful skyline. That is Seattle. Doing a 7-day cruise to Alaska. It's our first Alaska. All right, let me show you guys the bathroom. And here we have the bathroom. Not as good as Royal, in my opinion, or some of the newer ships. And it's got a really weird spot for the toilet paper. Like, there's the toilet paper, there's the toilet. Toilet paper, toilet. Super weird, but not a whole lot going on in here. Ooh, me. And that's it, folks.